We'll see the conversation, weekend plans. The situation is three people are making plans for the coming weekend. So, what are your plans for this weekend? I don't know. Do you want to get together or something? How about going to see a movie? Cinemax 26 on Carson Boulevard is showing Enchanted. That sounds like a good idea. Maybe we should go out to eat beforehand. It is fine with me. Where do you want to meet? Let's meet at Summer Pizza House. I have not gone there for a long time. Good idea again. I heard they just came up with a new pizza. It should be good because Summer Pizza House always has the best pizza in town. When should we meet? Well, the movie is shown at 2 p.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m., and 8 p.m. Why don't you go to the 2 p.m. show? We can meet at Summer Pizza House at noon. That will give us plenty of time to enjoy our pizza. My cousin Karen is in town. Can I bring her along? I hate to leave her home alone. Karen is in town? Yes. Bring her along. Laurie, you remember Karen? We met her at Sarah's high school graduation party 2 years ago. I do not quite remember her. What does she look like? She has blonde hair. She is kind of slender and she is about your height. She wears eyeglasses, right? Yes, and she was playing the piano off and on during the party. I remember her now. Yes, do bring her along, Sarah. She is such a nice person and funny too. She will be happy to meet both of you again. What is she doing these days? She graduated last June and she will start her teaching career next week when new school term begins. What grade is she going to teach? She will teach kindergarten. She loves working with kids and she always has such a good rapport with them. Kindergarten. She must be a very patient person. I always think kindergarten is the most difficult class to teach. Most of the kids have never been to school and they have never been away from mommy for long. I think Karen will do fine. She knows how to handle young children. I think the first few weeks will be tough. However, once the routine is set, it should not be too difficult to teach kindergarten. You're right, the kids might even look forward to going to school since they have so many friends to play with. There are so many new things for them to do at school too. They do a lot of crafts in kindergarten. I'm always amazed by the things kindergarten teachers do. Yes, I have seen my niece come home with so many neat stuff. Maybe we can ask Karen to show us some of the things that we can do for this Halloween. Maybe we can stop by the craft store after the movie. What do you think, Sarah? I'll talk to her. I think she will like that. It will help her with school projects when Halloween comes. Michael's is a good store for crafts. It always carries a variety of things and you can find almost anything there. So there's a Michael store not far away from Cinemax 26. I believe it is just around the corner on Pioneer Avenue. We can even walk over there. So we plan to meet for pizza at noon, go to the movies at 2 and shop at Michael's afterward, right? Yes. So ఇది కాన్వర్జేషన్. సో ఇది మీరు విత్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ కానీ లేదా మీ నైబర్స్ ఆర్ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ తోటి బాగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. Look at exercises. 1 is a conversation practice and 2 is question and answers practice. So conversation practice. Step 1, step 2, step 3. Have the students listen to the recorded dialogue and have the students read along the recorded dialogue. So this is for class students. Look at question and answers practice. Pay the students and have them practice the following question and answers. So instead మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ మీరు ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో ఒక 2 మెంబర్స్ కింద ఫామ్ అయ్యి ఒకళ్ళు క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగండి, ఒకళ్ళు ఆన్సర్స్ చెప్తారు. అలా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. అలాగే కాంప్రహెన్షన్ టెస్ట్ చూడండి. డస్ క్రిస్టీ హ్యావ్ ఎ ప్లాన్ ఫర్ దిస్ వీకెండ్? వీటికి ఆన్సర్స్ ట్రై చేయండి. అలాగే మీరు డిస్కషన్ ఫామ్ చేసుకోండి. వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ యూజువల్ ప్లాన్ ఫర్ ద వీకెండ్? మామూలుగా వీకెండ్స్లో మీరు ఏం చేస్తుంటారు? వాట్ యూ వాంట్ టు డూ, వాట్ యూ వాంట్ టు బీ ఆఫ్టర్ యూ ఫినిష్ స్కూలింగ్ కంప్లీట్, స్కూల్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ కంప్లీట్ అయిన తర్వాత మీరు ఏమవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారు? If you are a teacher, what grade do you want to teach? Why? మీరు ఒకవేళ టీచర్ అవ్వాలనుకుంటే ఏ గ్రేడ్కి అంటే ఏ క్లాసెస్కి వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటున్నారు, ఎందుకు? అది కూడా డిస్కషన్ ఫామ్ చేసుకోండి. Look at the grammar review. So there are many type of pronouns and their uses depend on the role they play in the sentence. Besides the personal pronouns, there are relative, possessive, interrogative and demonstrative pronouns. The relative pronouns ante who, whom, that, which, what. Replace the person or thing mentioned earlier in the sentence and connect a dependent clause to the main clause. Carol is a girl who was playing the piano off. అక్కడ who was అంటే Carol గురించి వస్తుంది. John and Tim are the person who coach our children in baseball. Our who coach. So who refers only to the people and is used when it is the subject of the verb. Like whom refers only to people and is used when it is the object of the verb. The girl whom you talked to last night. నువ్వు నిన్న నైట్ ఎవరితో అయితే మాట్లాడావో ఈజ్ సారాస్ కజిన్. అలా మీరు ప్రతిదీ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. దేర్ ఆర్ మెనీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఓవర్ దర్. చాలా ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా. అలాగే పొసెసివ్ ప్రోనౌన్ whose is a possessive pronoun and that means belonging to whom. This is the young girl whose father is a famous movie director. Whose father? A young girl father. Whose father? I just talked to the lady. ఆమెతో మాట్లాడాను. Whose house was damaged? ఎవరి హౌస్ అయితే డ్యామేజ్ అయిందో. Whose house? ఇవన్నీ క్లియర్గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. అలాగే ఇంట్రాగేటివ్ ప్రొనౌన్స్. వాట్ గ్రేడ్ ఈజ్ షీ గోయింగ్ టు టీచ్? హూ, హూమ్, హూస్, విచ్, వాట్. These are all used in asking questions. Demonstrative pronouns. This, these. This is my new car. అంటే ఇది నా కార్ అని చూపిస్తున్నారు. అంటే ఆ కారు మాట్లాడేతను దాని దగ్గరగా ఉందన్నమాట. దీస్ ఆర్ మై చిల్డ్రన్. వీళ్ళు నా పిల్లలు. వీళ్ళు అంటే అక్కడ ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళు పక్కనే ఉన్నారు. సో అవి డెమాన్స్ట్రేటివ్ ప్రొనౌన్స్ అంటారు. And look at the question and answers practice. Okay, the form I. Similar question and answers. ఇలా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తుంటే ఇంగ్లీష్ అనేది ఇంప్రూవ్ అవుతుంటుంది.